Hey there, my lovely friends. It's Christine Trainor talking to you from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. How are you doing today on this 26th day of June, the 26th day of the 6th month of the new decade? July is around the corner. Okay, let's begin. On my daily thoughts on this, my Never Give Up Friday. And I have a question to ask you, okay? Let's get started here. You know my notes. What do you do when you hit a brick wall, either mentally, in your life, or professionally, or personally? What do you do? You know? And this reminds me of this quote by Randy Posh. The brick walls are there for a reason. They're not there to keep us out. The brick walls are there to give us a chance to show how badly we want something. I love that one. Yes, indeed. I love this quote because when you hit that old brick wall and the first thing you want to do is simply stop and give up. Whatever you're doing, stand still, especially when you come up against an obstacle, right? Or a problem that stops and impedes your progress. It kind of feels like you have run into a stack of bricks, right? And you start to feel like your legs are concrete posts. Well, we all have been there, especially me. Stress just overwhelms you and you think that there's no way out and you want to give up, right? And the first thing you should do is change your way of thinking. Start believing things are going to turn around. Get that old positive affirmations into your mind. Be with people. Surround yourself with people who are going to help you get through the hardest times. It's essential to change your thinking first and take action on that new way of thinking. And the second, reflect on the talents you have, your skills that you're good at, and goals, and examine all the wonderful talents that you have in your life and that you're good at, and you can set out that you started when you settled in the first place. And number 3, write down your 5 to 10 year goal plan. Sit down quietly with pen and paper and really think about what you want, where you want to be in 5 to 10 years. That's a good way of thinking, right? And then why don't you do this? Number 4, sit quietly again after you figured out your 5 to 10 where you want to be. How about doing that 5 to 10 year action plan, that dream, that goal? Write it all down. Have it in pen and paper right there in front of you, right? Write down your long-term goals, needing to make a plan of action. Write things down. And then do the plan of action on a daily basis, i.e. the daily method of operation. And then you'll cross off everything you're doing every day on your way to becoming successful in your life, because you're starting from square one. And then once you write down your action plan, start taking action on that action plan, from improving your skills, some personal development, from maybe changing your mindset with affirmations, take part in motivational videos or take part in motivational class, everything that's just get started on your life. And then, of course, the last thing we should always do is minimize our stress, because that's how we hit that brick wall, right? To do things you enjoy. Take some time, maybe once a week. Start lessening your stress. Enjoy something that you like. If you have a particular hobby enjoy that hobby even further. Prioritize things that are important with you as well. Break things down to what is the top priority in your life and what is the least priority in your life. That's a good thing to de-stress as well. And that way you'll start to break through the wall of doubt and stress, worry, fear, to the other side of confidence and strength and happiness. That's what I want to share today, because believe it or not, this past 2 years when I started my online marketing, social media marketing world journey, I wasn't doing too bad for the first year, but I kept hitting a lot of obstacles, a lot of brick walls. And this past year, they were right there in front of me, that brick wall. And I realized I was lacking some skills and learning to understand about social media and social media marketing. So believe it or not, I actually spent a whole year I was investing in myself. I was really working hard of being open to new ideas. And you know that wonderful quote by Wayne Dyer, have a mind that is open to everything and attached to nothing, which means you are a clean slate. be open to new ideas, strategies, be teachable, be coachable. And that's the idea. That's what I mean. Because when you hit that brick wall, you think that's it. I can't learn anything else. But you can learn everything. You can be open to new ideas. And you can be open because you don't know everything, guys. And that's okay. You can be open and learning new things. That's what I love about that. So last year I was doing a couple of boot camps. I was doing some webinars. I was doing some variety of different classes. I was really working hard. But then a month ago I hit a brick wall again. Really not understanding fully of what I needed to do, guys. I was getting frustrated. I was getting mad. I was getting pissed off. Because that brick wall was right in front of me. And it was like, bang, 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 bang. And I couldn't break it down. So I was actually fortunate in the group I'm a part of that a beautiful opportunity came my way to be a part of an awesome platform that teaches you with an awesome leader with daily, weekly trainings, wonderful success coaches, phenomenal platform that teaches you a bit more about social media marketing, about attraction marketing, about getting your leads, attracting leads, about branding yourself even further, and really changing my Facebook page. As you can see, it's been changing quite a bit. And I wanted to share that with you, that it's okay to do that. And so I took a chance. And now I'm breaking down that wall, brick by brick, because I've learned some new strategies. And I'm still learning. And you know what the win-win here is? I'm actually earning as I'm learning on this awesome platform. And I wanted to share that with you too, because that's all part of the brick wall that I am smashing. I am smashing. Now, I got a long way to go to get to the other side, but it's breaking down brick by brick because I am learning on this wonderful platform how to become better at what I'm doing. And we all can be teachable. We all are teachable. We all are on that clean slate. And I believe have an open mind to everything and attach to nothing. It's perfect, especially when you hit that brick wall. Have that open mind. Be teachable, be coachable, be open to new ideas and strategies. And this new program I'm on, this platform I'm on, I'm a part of, I'm learning, I'm growing, I'm understanding new strategies, plus I'm earning. So if you're curious about what I'm sharing with you right now about this new program I'm part of, hit me up with a message or drop me an info down below and I'll share it with you. It's a wonderful program. But let's hear some quotes, guys. I love these quotes. This one by Steve Jobs. Sometimes life hits you in the head with a brick. Don't lose faith. In life, you will hit a brick wall. Don't lose faith. Have the confidence to smash through it. Excellent, right? And this one by Willow Young. When the brick wall stands in your way, do not turn tail and run. You will take all your strength and break that wall to pieces, brick by brick. Do not run from your destiny. Excellent, right? And this one I really like. When you're hitting a brick wall, focus on your strength and courage to tear down that wall to the other side. Excellent. And life isn't easy. You'll be hit by that brick wall of fear and doubt. The key here is to gather the confidence and smash that wall down. Yes. And this one, many people see a brick wall as an obstacle when it really is how to for achieving success. I love that one, guys. So this is my share today on my daily thoughts. Never Give Up Friday. When we hit that brick wall, what are we going to do? Are we going to turn tail and run? Or are we going to be open to new ideas and new thoughts and strategies and learn and grow and smash through that brick wall? So guys, hit me up on the new program I'm up on right now and I'll share you some information. But in the meantime, have an awesome, beautiful day. Smash through that brick wall of doubt and fear. I know you can do it. Have an awesome day. My love to you all. Talk to you soon. Bye.